Do you also feel that your forehead is abnormally long or not suited to the rest of your face? This one is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estiva Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. Many youngsters are unhappy with the shape of their forehead. They have a good hairline but feel that somehow their forehead is too long and does not match in proportion to the rest of the face. This is where forehead reduction surgery can help. Now, what is this procedure all about? Forehead reduction surgery is also known as hairline lowering surgery. So what does this mean? This means that we remove a portion of the skin of your forehead and lower your hairline in effect. Now how does this procedure help? This will lower the length of your forehead. So if you feel that your forehead is abnormally long, we're going to be shifting the hairline down by about 1 to 1.5 centimeters and give you a new shape and new length of the forehead. What are the prerequisites before you consider this procedure? One, you should have a very good hairline. So this is not for somebody who has a sparse hair in the hairline, because this is going to make the scars of the surgery very visible. Also, you should have a certain amount of flexibility in the forehead skin. So because we are going to be taking off excess skin and closing it, it's very important that this skin should be loose and elastic. In some people, we also advise that you do the skin stretching exercises for a period of about 2 to 3 months before you plan this procedure, so that we can execute it well and also give you a barely perceptible scar in the hairline. Let's talk in detail about how this procedure goes. This is essentially a daycare surgery, which means that you come to us in the morning, the procedure takes about 1.5 hours, and you're discharged at the end of the surgery. After the surgery, the dressings will continue for about 3 or 4 days, after which the hairline will be left open and you will be asked to use some kind of sun protection or say a cap to cover the scar. It's very important that you take care in the acute post-op period to avoid sun exposure, because the only drawback of this surgery can be in the form of a visible scar. Healing generally occurs by a period of 1 to 2 weeks, and as far as a period of bed rest is considered, or as far as refraining from any kind of activities, this is not that kind of a procedure where you take a very long break from your work. Maybe a period of 3 to 4 days is sufficient, after which you can resume your work. Some activities like gymming and exercise are to be avoided for a period of 4 to 6 weeks. And as I mentioned, sun protection is the single most important factor in the post-operative period to minimize scarring. The potential complications are obviously a more visible scar, which is why I emphasize that only people who've got a very good hairline should be the ones opting for this surgery. Barring this is a surgery which gives immediate results and has a very short downtime and barely any complications. So if you're also one of those people who don't like the shape and the length of the forehead, please consult a plastic surgeon and he or she will guide you as to what best is the solution for you and whether or not you're candidate for this surgery. Thank you for watching this video, and if any other doubts regarding this particular procedure, please feel free to reach out to us. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.